Hello there and welcome to Year 6 Maths Statistics. So let's read this question together. There is an ice cream van in the park. This line graph shows how many ice creams in cones and hot chocolates the ice cream van sells on average per day. So we're looking for ice creams in cones and hot chocolates that the ice cream van sells on average per day during each of the month of the year. So which is the most popular item sold in August? So let's have a look at August. So let's just have a look here. So we've got August, which is there, and green stands for hot chocolates, and the pinky reddish color stands for ice creams in cones. So in August, we sold roughly around about, I would say about 10 in total ice cream, hot chocolates in August, because August being the middle of the summer, is probably quite hot, and ice cream cones were very popular in August. They were sold, just under 250 of them were sold in this case. So in this case, the answer, the most popular, is going to be ice cream. So a lot of these questions are very different from each other, so you'll have to do quite a bit of working out to find out each question. And you'll, in terms of working out, you'll have to look at the graph in detail, and you can actually blow up and zoom into the graph as well, just to kind of ascertain what the numbers and the levels actually mean in this case. Okay, let's just do one more quick question together. There is an ice cream van in the park. This line graph shows how many ice creams in cones and hot chocolates the ice cream van sells on average per day during each of the month. How many hot chocolates are sold on average per day in April? So let's go to April. Let's have a quick look. So the question states again, how many hot chocolates? So we're just looking at hot chocolates here at the moment, and we're going to use our graph to help us do this. So hot chocolates, please, in April. So hot chocolates, there we go. So we're looking at hot chocolates, which is just markedly over the 50 line. So I would go for roughly 55 as being our main answer there. Okay, good luck with the rest of these questions. Thank you.